It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau.
Travessa de Soriano. So we're going to try to capture this particular street right here. It's kind of a marketplace area. I have it on hyper-view. I might change around the camera settings a little bit, as I have in the last few videos, and we'll kind of see what different viewers think. But we're going to be kind of meandering around a little bit, showing you down in this alley a little bit further past our street, and also some of these kind of market streets, just to give you a full context of everything that's on our target street. And we're starting out near this beautiful church right here. And I'm going to be changing the camera lens a little bit throughout the process as well. So just kind of keep in mind on the super view, you really get an idea of the full view of the church and everything like that. And when I change the lens, you won't have that. You won't have that fisheye look anymore. We're just going to kind of play around and try to get different ideas. And then yeah, before I do that, that's actually the St. Dominic's Church. Okay, and that's going to be our target street. So stay tuned. Let's put it up on the map so you see exactly where we are. Little slice of Macau for you. Up on the map, Soriano Lane. This is right in where all the tourists are at. But it also goes into some kind of cool architecture. Lots of architecture here, as there is throughout a lot of Macau. And we're going to take you there as if you're there yourself, up on the map. And here we go, a slice of Macau. Okay, so now take in mind, different lens. We lose the peripheral part, but you can definitely see, you can still see a little bit, but you don't have that same. The fisheye part is definitely 100% gone. And also you can notice that we don't see the church anymore either, fully. I mean, you can see it, but you can't see it like we could before. Anyways, there's the full church all the way up. So now I have to move the camera all the way up to capture it all. It's kind of cool. They're doing some photogenic shots right there. Okay, so our target street is going to be down this way, so we're going to be going down that way. So let's capture that. Maybe I should put on that fisheye again. I think I will. So let's take a look at that again. Hyperview. So now you kind of easily get it. I don't have to move the camera to capture it. I'm just going to walk down this way a little bit so we can kind of capture the whole area of the spot, and then you can also capture all the peripheral parts as well. So that way you can see the rooftops of the buildings and the whole structure of everything. Okay, that's Soriano Square right there. And then you can see these signs, Sao the ruins that'll go up to there. Yeah, now I can kind of capture this whole periphery part of all the different people. Just so you capture this architecture over here too. So now you kind of have a better idea of what it all looks like. Okay, so up that way is Sao Domingos. It goes all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins. So just go through this little crowd here. And now you can capture the whole church as well. So let me go back to the other setting. So now we're back on the linear view. So now I have to turn the camera all the way to be able to capture, you know, whatever's on the periphery part. And the building, the church is definitely out. You can just capture that big giant door, but you can't capture the whole idea, the whole structure of it, and how big it is. And also that tree, I now have to move the camera all the way up to capture it. Where in the super view, all of that would have been in the video. Kind of depends on what people look at. Some people, when they look, they want to just, you know, be told exactly what to look at, you know, the camera directly on it. and other people kind of are curious and want to look around all the different periphery sides and up and down and everywhere. Okay, oh, let me go down one of these. So these are these little, this is called the left, I think either east or west of the Mercado, of the marketplace. So they'll sell all kinds of clothing down here. So as you can see, I'm gonna keep on walking down. Soriano. Yeah, when I'm moving the camera, I like using the super view as I'm holding the camera, so it kind of prevents that jerking around. I'm trying to capture all the stuff around me. But the fisheye does distort everything, so here's the other side. So this was actually the east and west, so that's the other side of the other market. It goes all the way down like that. And then that goes back to the yeah, actually if I couldn't capture him. There's a guy just, if he was on the periphery part I could capture him, but I can't. But that guy was just kind of looking at me, but if he was on the periphery part I'd capture that. Okay, so now we're gonna walk down this other street. We actually just completed Soriano, but I want to go down in these little alleys if I can. Let me just try to get across the street a little bit. I guess we can go right now. So I just kind of wanted to capture that. Let me change camera lens views again. Okay, so now you can kind of see, the guy's a really cool guy, right there to the left. He's always there. So we're gonna just walk into this alley slightly, because it's kind of cool with all the balconies and everything like that. I'm just gonna show you down here, the Lucky Dragon Portuguese steak cafe, really good, low-priced fusion foods. But down these little alleys, there's also kind of cool stuff too, Bancos. I think they got some award-winning stuff too. Okay. All kinds of cool stuff in the alleys of Macau. Okay, so we're gonna come back. We got our super view lens on, so now you can capture all these balconies to get a more fuller idea of the beauty of this particular street that you wouldn't be able to catch otherwise. Let me switch the lens again. So we switched the lens, so you can kind of compare a little bit, see which one looks better. This guy's really cool to the right. But we're going to be ending our video very soon. But that was Soriano down that way. I really like this balcony right there. And all the way down you can also see the Lisboa Casino, Grand Lisboa Casino. Let's just go back to our other view. Okay, now we're back to the super view, but now you can see the Grand Lisboa right there easily. You can also see this whole building and the structure of that. And also this one too. Okay. So we're gonna end this video. Even that one balcony, there's even some doors open up there. Right there, it's kind of interesting. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna end it. So Soriano was right there, down that way.
Come on, Macau, come on now. It's a beautiful day.